There was a meeting here on Sunday. There was a meeting here on Monday. The Council of Leaders and the Central Committee instructed me to come and announce to the whole world that this alliance is no longer Tonse Alliance. So those who want to abuse us because of the name Tonse Alliance, sorry chayuma lelo. Allow me on behalf of all the members of the Green Ghost, the members of the various political parties that are in this alliance, and members of the civil society organizations in this alliance, allow me to launch the latest, the most formidable, the one and only alliance that is going to remove Hara India on the 13th of August. Let's launch the new alliance. Ladies and gentlemen,